Yeah. You hear that? It's the sound of something real stepping. Yeah. Had to let that shit roll. Had to let that shit roll. Had to let that bitch slide. Had to let that shit ride. Let that shit ride. Let's do it. It's 600 like 600. Niggas say beef. Banana clip, hang out the Drake like a slave, man. Like what? Throw up the wrong, let her play hangman. Been blessed with a swag so cold that my style.
Ok les amis, en direct du ferry. Là ça part dans moins d'une heure normalement. Et là-bas il y a la gaz, mais elle est pas belle. Elle est plus belle en factory. Ça va Palma? Ouais, pas de preuve si vous voulez. Pas de preuve.
Tu vas lui parler aussi à la caméra?
Je parle pas moi.
Non, tu parles pas.
J'agis.
Elle patine pas l'auto là. Elle patine l'auto. On a retrouvé l'équipe.
Je suis éclaté, j'ai un dormi. 6h30 du matin, tout va bien. C'est dur. Et je pense que ça s'annonce une belle journée. Allez, on se retrouve sur la route.
They ain't think I would do it, but I did it. Really having this shit, really winning. Was times that I thought I'd forever be sinning and spinning whatever to stand on the business. But God bless the gang, did it all for the city. All the shots they let off, but they ain't hit me. All the shots we let off, they ain't mention was hitting. Go ask why he's finding them limping. Never change, I'm the same, it's just in me. The only thing changes the paper. My vision, can't forget about the diamonds and chains on my pendant. Was starving, but now we eat steak for a living. If we ever fell out, you was fake or a bitch. Niggas quick to switch sides, don't be standing on shit. But yet I'm the biggest, ain't change on my clique. When they ride, make his whole family cry for that shit. I'm the same, I ain't letting shit slide, and I meant every word that I said. I put this on a 6. I'm the same nigga thugging from the cells to the bricks. Better ask about X. Matter of fact, come and see how this rap shit'll help. It mean nothing to me. I won't let them change me. I'll remain forever. Remain forever. They say X when it changed, probably cause I got rich. I ain't hurting my kids, they ain't one for shit. They say X when it changed, probably came from a bitch. Tried to hit, now I'm up and they all on my dick. They say X when it changed, probably came from a nigga I fuck with. I'm the same and I'm standing on 10 by my name. Ay.
Mais fond de 5ème, j'ai trouvé 3 rapports.
All this shit off the muscle, that struggle was tough to the bitch like a knuckle. Got to that bag, needed shit like a ruffle, it double. Now I can take care of my mother. Just got me a house, watch the price of another. This check off the brain, gotta die if you want it. Came up off of violence, don't mean I condone it. I'm chilling, but I keep the Glock if you want it. Hey, shawty, just checking up on you. I see you out there shining. I'm so proud of you and all that you've accomplished. I just want you to be safe, stay strong, keep your head up, I love you, take care. Hey, state to state, trying to get to this paper. Each city I find a new hater. Just walked out the truth, that shit brought out the fakest. When go, so I know pussy niggas gon' hate us. Can't go by the hoe if I ain't armed and dangerous. Got lasers on all of these blocks and they nameless. I fell out with partners, they see all this greatness. They gone and I can't see the looks on their faces. Pray to the Lord every day for these cases. Still racing, can't stand to these niggas in places. He might think it's sweet to start thinking about taking. That's cool cause I'm known to throw bullets like Aikman. I used to sell dope to the fiends, had them shaking, but I switched it up when shit started to get shaky. Half the niggas who was solid turned out they were faking and hating. They really just wanting my placement. I really came up from the bottom to basement. Went from taking to giving, that's crazy. Turned up for my son, now I got a new baby. Might cop a Mercedes to give my old lady. Not grabbing no mic if them niggas ain't paid me. True hustler, my people knew that when they made me. A 600 stepper won't step if they make me. They pussy and I really know they won't make it. Hey. Hey. All this shit off the muscle, the struggles was tough than a bitch like a knuckle. Got to the bag, needed chips like a ruffle with double. Now I can take care of my mother. Just got me a house, watch the price of another. Just check off the blood. Hey. We step the stage, tryna get to this paper. Tryna get to this paper.
Allez, plus qu'un bats-toi. Oui.
Ah, je l'ai.
Propre.
Merci, ouais.
Bravo.
Late night city fights, grinding till the dawn. Every setback's just a step, man, we carry on. Got the heart of a lion, fierce and unafraid. Every verse I spit, another mark I made. Feel the fire night, let the world see.
Oh, le dépôt de ça.
Dreams ignite, chasing shadows down the boulevard at night. From the streets of Compton to the Brooklyn Heights, we're spitting bars, yeah, we're ready for the fight. Hustle hard, got that grind in my veins. Every struggle, every loss, it's the heart that remains. From the corners to the stages, we're breaking the chains. Voices of the youth, yeah, we shift in the lanes. Raise your hands up high, let the rhythm flow. Feel the beat drop hard, let your spirit glow. From the east to the west, we're united in the show. This is our anthem, let the whole world know. Beside me, loyalty in the air. We rise like the sun, no time for despair. From the underground scene to the mainstream glare, we're painting our legacy, creating with flair. Every lyric's a weapon, every rhyme's a shield. In the game of life, our dreams will not yield. Through the trials trials and the pain, our fate's been sealed with the power of our voices. The truth is, raise your hands up high, let the rhythm flow. Feel the beat drop hard, let your spirit glow. From the east to the west, we're united in the show. This is our anthem, let the whole world know. Got my crew beside me, loyalty in the air. We rise like the sun, no time for despair. From the underground scene to the mainstream glare, we're painting our legacy, creating with flair. Every lyric's a weapon, every rhyme's a shield. In the game of life, our dreams will not yield. Through the trials and the pain, our fate's been sealed.
Les gars, avec le nettoyant frein gros qu'on a balancé.
Raise your hands up high, let the rhythm flow. Feel the beat drop hard, let your spirit glow.
Ça va gros ou pas?
To the west, we're united in the show. This is our anthem, let the whole world know.
Oh merde! L'eau est bonne, on a une vitesse ou pas là? Mais en vrai, je sais pas si elle a eu le temps de prendre beaucoup d'eau. Hein. Non, c'est juste, elle a juste fait un tourneau dans la piscine quoi. Ah, s'il y a pas beaucoup d'eau. Là. Bah, je peux pas plus là. Hein. Non, s'il y a pas beaucoup d'eau. Ah ouais, quand même, hein, finalement. Si, elle avait soif. Hein. Wesh. Oh merde. Ah ouais, elle est tombée comme une merde. Oh, je l'ai vu partir. Non, pas moi. Moi j'ai dit c'est qui a plongé? Et en fait il dit ouais ta bécane. Donc on vous l'avait jamais faite celle-là non?
Celle-là je l'avais jamais faite encore. Faire un tonneau dans la piscine avec la bécane. Après avoir fait un tonneau dans la piscine, changer le filtre à air, la vidange. Elle vit ou elle vit pas cette bécane? Pour expliquer, la bécane elle était posée là contre la barrière et on entend tomber. Il y a eu un coup de vent, la bécane elle s'est décalée, s'est tombée et elle a fini sous l'eau là.
Eh gros, t'as jamais mis un coup de bombe sur un filtre à air? J'aime beaucoup ce que tu me proposes aujourd'hui. Bon vas-y de plus près gros, t'emmerdes plus hein. Assuré qu'il n'y a plus rien qui passe à travers le filtre.
Yo, streets cold, heart froze, hustle hard, nobody knows, grinding day and night, chasing paper, gotta make it right. Girls whispering sweet, nothing's but loyalty's a myth. Loyalty's a myth. Lost in the maze, trapped in the system, feeling the abyss. Street dreams, faded lights, lost hopes, endless nights. Money talks, but the soul ain't buying. Diamond tears falling down on this concrete crown. Gotta rise above, find my way, seize the day, come what may. From the bottom looking up at the stars so far, carrying the weight of the world on these scarred bars. Struggles and pain, fueling the fire within. Gotta break these chains, gotta rise again, gotta win. Street dreams.
A spark in the dark.